What if one of the so-called healthy oils in your kitchen is actually silently harming your heart, your hormones, and your metabolism? And what if the oils that truly protect your body, the ones that reduce inflammation, boost your brain, and help you burn fat, are the ones almost nobody talks about? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on cooking oils. We're going to reveal which oils heal you from the inside out, and which ones are slowly breaking you down. Your choice of cooking oil might seem like a small, harmless decision. But behind the scenes, it affects everything. Your inflammation levels, your heart health, your weight, your brain function, your hormones, and even how quickly you age. Most people don't realize this, but using the wrong oils creates a constant fire of inflammation inside your body. This silently raises your risk of heart disease, fatty liver, obesity, depression, and even memory decline. These aren't just food choices. They are long-term health decisions. What I'm about to share could literally change the health of your heart, your brain, and your future. And to make sure you get the full picture, I've woven several surprising twists throughout this video. So stay with me because the biggest reveal comes near the end. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the good oils, the ones that heal you. Number 1 on our list is extra virgin olive oil, the heart protector. It's rich in powerful compounds called polyphenols and antioxidants. These natural wonders reduce inflammation, protect your arteries from damage, and help balance your cholesterol. It's no coincidence that populations in the Mediterranean who use this oil daily have some of the lowest rates of heart disease in the world. But here's the first twist. It's not just the oil itself. It's the polyphenols that make it so powerful. Unfortunately, big food companies often try to cut corners by selling fake or diluted olive oil that's stripped of these benefits. To make sure you're getting the real deal, always choose cold-pressed olive oil in a dark glass bottle and look for a harvest date on the label. Fresher is always better. Next up, we have avocado oil, the high-heat healthy fat. Avocado oil is packed with monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. Its biggest advantage is its incredibly high smoke point, reaching up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This means it stays stable and doesn't break down into harmful compounds when you re-cooking at high temperatures. It's perfect for roasting, sauteing, and air frying. But here is something shocking. Studies have found that up to 70% of commercial avocado oils are either rancid or secretly mixed with cheap oils like soybean oil, even when the label says pure. To avoid this scam, look for brands that clearly state unrefined and 100% avocado oil on the bottle. Our third healing oil is coconut oil, the metabolism booster. Coconut oil is unique because it contains medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. These are special fats that your body can quickly absorb and burn for energy, rather than storing them as fat. This makes coconut oil great for supporting fat burning, gut health, immunity, and even thyroid function. It's also one of the most stable oils for cooking. Here's a surprising fact. Coconut oil got a bad rap for years because of outdated myths about cholesterol. But modern research actually shows that it can boost your HDL, which is the good cholesterol, and supports a healthy metabolism. Shh. Don't be afraid to bring this tropical powerhouse back into your kitchen. Now let's turn to the dark side, the bad oils. These are the oils that look harmless sitting on the grocery store shelf, but are actually wreaking havoc inside your cells. We're talking about the highly processed seed and vegetable oils, the ones directly linked to widespread inflammation, metabolic problems, and oxidative stress. First on this list is canola oil. It's been marketed for decades as heart healthy, but the truth is, it's heavily refined using high heat and chemical solvents. This process often makes the oil rancid before it even hits the bottle, and it's high in unstable omega-6 fats that promote inflammation. Then there's soybean oil. This oil is everywhere. It's in nearly every processed food and used in most restaurants because it's cheap. But studies show it can disrupt your hormones and significantly increase inflammation markers in the body. Next is corn oil. It's extremely high in inflammatory omega-6 fats, very low in protective antioxidants, and it's almost always derived from genetically modified corn. It undergoes a harsh refining process that strips it of any potential nutrients. And what about cottonseed oil? This one is particularly disturbing. It wasn't even considered a food for humans originally. It was an industrial byproduct used in things like soap and paint. It's only through heavy processing that it's made edible, but that doesn't mean it's safe. Finally, we have sunflower and safflower oils. Now, these can be tricky because they sound healthy, right? But we're specifically talking about the high linoleic versions, which are the most common kind you'll find. Their linoleic acid content is so high that it oxidizes very easily, both in the bottle and in your body, essentially feeding the flames of inflammation. Here's the real shocker, and this is critical to understand. These bad oils don't just cause temporary inflammation. When you eat them, they actually get integrated into the membranes of your cells. They literally become a part of you, altering how your cells communicate, function, and age. Over time, your body is quite literally built from the oils you eat. And now for the most surprising revelation of all, the one I promised at the beginning. It's not just about choosing the right oil. It's about how you use it. The real hidden danger is heat. Many oils, even some of the healthy ones, can become toxic when you cook with them. When an oil is heated past its smoke point, it breaks down and creates toxic chemicals called aldehydes. These compounds are linked to a higher risk of cancer, heart disease, and accelerated aging. This is the secret that most people never learn. So let's create a simple hierarchy for safe cooking. For high-heat cooking like searing or deep frying, your best choices are avocado oil, refined coconut oil, and ghee, which is clarified butter. These are very stable at high temperatures. For medium-heat cooking, like a gentle salt, extra virgin olive oil and sesame oil are great options. They retain their benefits without breaking down. And then there are the oils that you should only use raw, meaning you should never, ever heat them. This includes flaxseed oil, walnut oil, and hemp seed oil. These are incredibly delicate and are best used in salad dressings or drizzled over food after it's been cooked. Understanding this heat stability is the key. It's the master key to protecting your heart, managing your weight, and balancing your hormones for the long run. Think about it this way. Your body is built from the fats you consume. Every cell membrane, every hormone your body produces, and every brain cell relies on the quality of the oils you choose. If you want a healthier future with clearer skin, a faster metabolism, a stronger heart, and more energy, it all starts with this one simple shift in your kitchen. Replace the harmful oils with healing oils. Get rid of the canola, soybean, and corn oil. Bring in the extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. And most importantly, use the right oil for the right cooking method. These small choices might not seem like much day to day, but they accumulate over time. Your body will absolutely thank you for years to come. If this video opened your eyes, I urge you to make a change today. Go check your pantry. Find one harmful oil and replace it. Your future self will feel the difference. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips that can truly change your life. Your healing begins with a single drop of the right oil.